Was walking down the beach when I saw a rock which looked a little bit different. I had a closer inspection and I noticed that it had some coral like features on it. I was wondering if it could be fossil. If it was a fossil, I knew exactly what to do with it. Since my sister's birthday was fast approaching, I thought I'll give it to her as a gift. Anyway, so to mount this fossil, first I needed a photo frame. Luckily, I had the perfect one lying in my shed. First, I cleaned it by sanding it back. Then I gave it an undercoat. Once the undercoat was dry, I used spray paint and painted it white. I let it dry and gave another coat. While it was drying, I gave a clear coat on the fossil. This will make it easier to wipe the dust off it. Now I had to prepare the backing of the photo frame. For this, I used a special handmade paper, which I had bought when I was in India. I stuck this handmade paper to the frame's backing, and then I glued the border over it. Once it was all dry, I used silicone to stick the fossil to the backing. Being my sister's birthday, I decided to write a cute message to go with the fossil frame. I wrote a personalized message in the back of the photo frame and a funny one in the front. This is the end product. If you like videos on traveling, learning, and creating new things, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.